Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau. I am outside the Aberdeen Recreation and Cultural Center with my buddy Santa Claus here because the North Country Christmas with Cat Perkins is Friday night right here at the Aberdeen Civic Theater, which is part of the Arc Complex. Tickets are $10 and that benefits the Salvation Army. Weekend at Capitol Cinema is the Holdovers. That is the story of a prep school in the 70s and the kids who don't have anywhere to go for Christmas break. You can check that out on Friday and Saturday night at 7 p.m. or on Sunday afternoon at 2 p.m. Aberdeen Wings Hockey is at home this weekend. They take on the Minot Minotauros both Friday and Saturday night. Puck drops at 7:15 both nights. The James Valley Model Railroad Association has another Saturday open house on Saturday that goes from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. It's in the basement of the Milwaukee Depot, and you'll be able to check out all sorts of their cool train setups. They have a couple different model scales. It's just really neat, and they're always changing it. So if you've been before, you'll want to go every year because they're always updating and changing that. And then Saturday night, Hub City Station Event Center has clean comedy in benefit of the Aberdeen Area Foster Closet. So you can go support that cause and check out some comedy. If you're looking for more holiday events, make sure to go to our holiday events roundup at visitaberdeensd.com/holiday-2023. You'll be able to click on that link down below as well. And that's just where we're putting all of the great holiday events that get submitted to our calendar. So they're all in one easy place for you to check out. And if you're looking for any kind of event, holiday or not, make sure to go to aberdeenareaevents.com. That is where you can also submit events. So if you have something going on, whether it's a sporting event or you have a festival or something fun you're planning, make sure to submit it to aberdeenareaevents.com. I've been Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau. It is supposed to be a gorgeous weekend this first weekend in December right here in Aberdeen.